This is Still by Reuben Morgan in the key of C. As always, you can click on the description below, and I do have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. All right, so in the key of C, we have C, F, G, and then we have our A minor, D minor, and we do have a D chord, D major chord. So let's take a look at those chords. C chord is C, E, G. Okay, move up one note, you're in the D minor position. D, F, A. Okay, then a D major, just move the third finger up to this black note. D, F sharp, A makes this triangle shape if that helps as well. Okay, then we have our F chord, F, A, C. Okay, move up one note, G chord, G, B, D. And then move up one more note and you have an A minor. A, C, E. Okay? All right, so let's review that. We have C chord, D minor, pick up the black note, D major, F, G, and A minor. All right, so left hand is just going to be playing single notes down here. We're going to keep it simple. C note with C chord. Just single notes, okay? Then we play our D minor with our D. We also play that D major with the D. F to F. G to G. And then when you play that A minor, open your thumb up. See how I didn't move my whole hand? I just moved my thumb open to that A single note, okay? All right, let's talk about the rhythm. This song is written in 4/4 times, so we're going to do a rhythm I like to call together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. It's a nice marching rhythm. Here's F chord, G chord, and so on. So just get used to that nice marching rhythm. Okay, so let's add in some vocals in verse 1. And you'll notice verse 1 and 2 are going to be the same chords. So try to notice patterns in your music where you have similarities. So verse 1 and 2 are the same. So we're going to start out with a C chord and move to the G chord. Okay, so let's go. I'm just going to sing through it and then I'll break it down into some small practical steps. Hide me now under your wings, cover me within your mighty hand. Okay. So you notice I'm just going through that nice marching rhythm. I'm allowing the vocals to kind of take over. So let's go through verse 2 since that's the same thing, but we're going to add in some different words there. Find rest, G chord, my A minor, soul in F, Christ. Then we go to that D. Alone is G. Move to the C. Know his power. F chord. In. Now we're going to pick up that D minor. Quietness and trust. G. Okay, then we move into the chorus. When the oceans rise and thunders roar, I will soar with you above the storm. And I know the melody goes up there higher. It's just a little high for my voice. Third line there. Father, you are king over the flood. I will be still. Know you are God. Okay, and then it goes back into the verse. So let's go through that chorus again. We start out with that C chord. When the oceans rise and thunder soar, and I will soar with Alrighty. Okay, so there's just a lot of simplicity to this song. You can go back to that beginning if you need a little help. I'm going to play it beginning to end for you. Just break it up into those two chunks. So play verses together. Maybe just omit the left hand altogether. Play the right hand by itself all through that verse. Under your wings. Then add that left hand in when you feel comfortable. And then that chorus, just kind of notice that there is some similarities with C, F, G, C, C, F, G, A minor, but then you're back to that C, F, G, C. Okay, so it's just those 4 chords through that chorus, C, F, G, A minor. All right, here we go. And hide me now under your wings. Cover me within your mighty hand. When the oceans rise and thunders roar, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the flood, and I will be still and know you are God. Find rest, my soul, in Christ alone.